Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the structures of the brain stem. The brain stem, which is this entire structure right here, and this entire structure, consists of the midbrain, which is this part, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. So here we have the midbrain, pons, and the medulla oblongata. On the midbrain, which is this part, we have an important structure, which is the cerebral peduncles. So this right here, anteriorly, the cerebral peduncle, we have another cerebral peduncle on the other hemisphere. The cerebral peduncles are what connect the cerebrum to the brain stem. On this model, to know the anterior aspect from the posterior aspect right here, look at the pons. The pons always faces anteriorly. The protrusion of the pons always anteriorly. So this is the anterior aspect, that is the posterior aspect. On the midbrain, which is this part, we have anteriorly, we have the cerebral peduncles. This is the cerebral peduncle, that is the cerebral peduncle. On the midbrain, posteriorly, which is this part, we have 4 colliculus, 2 superior and 2 inferior. We have the superior colliculus, these 2, and we have the inferior colliculus, these 2. The 4 form the Corpora Quadrigemina. Quadri means 4. Remember, the Corpora Quadrigemina is located on the posterior aspect of the midbrain. Surrounding structures on the anterior aspect, here we have the optic chiasm. This is the pituitary gland. That's the infundibulum that connects the pituitary gland to the hypothalamus. Here we have these 2 white dots. These are the mamillary bodies. On the posterior aspect, we have the gland right here, which is the pineal gland, and we have the Corpora Quadrigemina. Now let's open the cerebral hemispheres. Let's separate them. Right here, at the level of the pons, we have the 4th ventricle. So this is the 4th ventricle, this space. We will have a choroid plexus, which is a vascular blood vessels that secretes the CSF. This structure that connects the 3rd ventricle, which sits at the level of the thalamus, to the 4th ventricle, this is called the cerebral aqueduct. If you remember from the brain ventricles model, this is the 3rd ventricle, that is the cerebral aqueduct, which is right here on the model, this right here. And this is the 4th ventricle, which is this right here on the model. And that's the choroid plexus.